Let's get started with the basic. What is Etabs? Etabs, its full form is Extended Three-Dimensional Analysis of a Building System, is a specialized structural engineering software used for analysis and design of a building. It is basically developed by the computers and the structure, that is CSI, and is widely used by the structural engineers, consultants, and the design firms all over the world. Etabs is specially created for the multi-story RCC and the steel buildings, unlike the general analysis software. Basically, this is the Etabs interface. This is the home screen of it. We'll dive into this into our course. So, what's the purpose of Etabs? Why Etabs is used? Etabs is used to model the real-world building structures accurately, perform the structural analysis under the various loads, design structural elements as per the international and the Indian standard codes, and ensure the safety, economy, and the code compliance of the buildings. In short, Etabs has helps engineer convert the architectural drawing into the safe and efficient structural design. Etabs is so much powerful that the Burj Khalifa and many other buildings that are been made, analyzed, and designed in the Etabs only. So, what types of the structure can we design in Etabs? Using Etabs, we can analyze and design residential building, commercial buildings, high-rise towers, office complexes, hotels, then hospitals, RCC, and the steel framed structures. Basically, Etabs is more popular for its building structure. In it, we basically do it for only the buildings like the RCC steel structures. Okay. Etabs is not for the bridges or the mechanics. It is 100% building oriented software. Means in it we can't do for the bridges and all that. There are basically different software for the bridges and all that. So there is in CSI, the CSI company, parent company of this Etabs, has the other softwares like the CSI Bridge and other softwares also, over which we can do the different work. But in this Etabs, we will be only doing for the buildings. Okay, and in this, all these types of the buildings are we will be discussing, and means all these types of the buildings are being made using this ETAP software, and most high rises buildings like the Burj Khalifa is also built using this ETAP software. The main task performed by the ETAPs. ETAPs allow the engineers to perform the following tasks step by step. The structural modeling, where we model the beam, column, slab, wall, stairs. Then load definition and applications like the dead load, live load, wind load, earthquake load. We will see all of this in our course. Structural analysis like the linear static analysis, dynamic analysis, response spectrum analysis. These are some of the structural analysis done. Design of the structural elements like the RCC beams design, RCC column design, slab design, shear wall design. Then the result interpretation, like it will give us some result, like we will be able to see here the bending moment, shear forces, deflection, reinforcement detailing, and all the results are being seen. These are some of the tasks that we can perform in under the ETAPS software. Okay, so let's see why ETAPS is preferred over the other software. ETAP is preferred because it is a building specific, means it only do for the buildings. uh, Faster modeling using the grids and the story systems, accurate seismic and the wind analysis, automatic load combinations as per the codes, trusted by the top structural consultants worldwide. It is not for only India. It is basically for the whole world. We only use this ETAP software for the buildings. Okay, this makes the ETAPs as the industry standard software for the building design. Now, where ETAPs is used in the real life. ETAPs used in the structural consultancy firms, government infrastructure projects, high-rise buildings design, earthquake resistance design projects, professional structural design practices. Basically, this ETAPs is the main software for the buildings. So we will be using them in each and every building to be analyzed and to be do the structural analysis of them. If you want to work as a structural design engineer, ETAPS is a must-learn software. Now, let's meet in our course. We will be discussing all of this in detail, how we run this task we perform, and all the steps we will be doing in depth. Okay, so Let's meet in our course. That's it.